Okay, this is Owen and Addison, and we are reviewing for mid-chapter quiz, which is tomorrow. We did the first page on Friday, and now we got this page. I think this is a little bit longer, but we should be all right. Okay, so mid-chapter quiz in tomorrow, yes? With notes, with review, if you would like. That's okay, whatever. Okay, here we go. So 8. Number 8 has like, I don't know, 7 parts to it or something like that. Okay, so part A, we got to break him down. He has 3 pieces underneath of there, right? So I'm going to do like the 250, I'm going to do the X to the 12th, and I'm going to do the Y to the 9th. Okay, that's how I separate it out. If you're one of those people that can do all of this in your head, you don't have to separate it out, that's totally fine, okay? You can't take the square root of 250. What goes into 250 that you can take the perfect square root of? 25 and 10?
Yes.
25 and 10, does there go higher than that?
No. No.
That would be 102.5, that's not right.
125.
25 and 10, 10 won't break down anymore, so we got to go 25 and 10. What's the square root of 25? 5 square root of 10? Stays?
Yeah.
And there's that. Okay? What about the square root of x to the 12th power?
X is 6.
He just pops straight out because remember you're dividing, right? 12 divided by 2 is 6, right? Okay? What about y to the 9th? We got to go y8 here and 1 here. And that makes 9 total. Okay? And we're taking square root. Square root of y to the 8th is y to the 4th. Square root of y just stays square root of y. And then we slam it all back together. Okay? So 5 stays on the outside.
X6.
X6. Y4. Square root of 10y. And now he is proper. That looks like a weird 0, but it is. There you go. 10y. Okay? How about that? Was that okay?
Yep.
Do you want to try B on your own? Do you want to try B? You're doing the cubic root on B. Cubic root. Cubic root.
8 times 7 is...
So everything, after you do all that,
Yes.
you just put the y and the 10 together?
Yep. Everything on the outside goes to the outside. Everything on the inside goes on the inside. Yep. Okay. Do you want to try the next one on your own? You do it and I'll do it. Okay. You got 4 pieces now. Make sure you're doing the cubic root.
Does it matter the order you write
This order doesn't matter and this order doesn't matter, but they have to be like,
in the square?
yeah. Typically I write the number first and then alphabetical. But whatever, it's not technically wrong if you do it otherwise. Okay, did we get all the way through that? Before we move on, by the way, let's talk about this. You guys remember like in, I don't know, in elementary school when you did this and you had to switch it to an improper fraction, right? How do you do that? Multiply, so 2 times 11 is 22, plus 3 is 25 over 11, right? Okay? All right, so let's say I'm at this step right here, and I'm looking at these B's right here, right? Okay? And I want to make sure that this is right, right? So I'm going to take these and I'm going to multiply these together, right? 3 times 3 is 9 plus 2 is 11. Did I start with 11? You betcha. It's kind of the same process, right? Like here is C. This is C to the first power, right? 1 times 3 is 3 plus 1 more is 4, right? Yeah. So it's kind of like you can kind of check your answer like midway through to make sure you did that right? Okay, kind of, yeah. Okay, that's what you should have gotten for part B. Yeah. Kind of a messy thing. Okay. All right, C. Can we add if they're not like terms?
Sure.
No. So we got 2.
3 square root.
Break down 45 into 9 and 5. And the square root of 9 and the square root of 5 is 3 square roots of 5 plus the square root of 5. And that becomes 4 square roots of 5 or 10.
6, 7.
Stays 5. You're right. Okay. Stays the square root of 5.
6.
Got it? How was that? That was C. D. Can I multiply them if they're not like terms? Yes. So this ends up being the square root of 36, which is 6.
Well, how'd you do?
Yeah.
Whoa.
Just 6. That was
But
fast.
they're not like terms.
But you can multiply them if they're not like terms, right?
Multiply them.
It's the same way like Dylan. If you have x squared times x cubed, you can do that. But if you have x squared plus x cubed, you cannot, right? That makes sense? It's kind of the same thing. Equals x to the 5th. So it would just be this, right? Okay. You can multiply all you want, but you cannot add, yeah? Okay. All right, E, 64 to the 2/3 power. Let's fix it, right? What does the 2/3 power mean? The cubic root of 64, do you want to square the inside or the outside? I want to square the outside, right? Because the cubic root of 64 is nice. It is on the wall.
4.
4. The cubic root of 64 is 4, so then I take 4 and I square it, and that is 16, you betcha. Okay? All right, now, what does a negative exponent do?
Flip it.
Flips it to the bottom, right? So this would be 1 over 16, right? Because we already know 64 to the 2/3 power is 16, right?
Yep.
So it'd be 1 over 16.
I got confused.
What about this guy?
-16.
Negative 16. It doesn't flip it, right? It only flips it if the exponent's negative. Okay? Yep. And it's not in parentheses, right? What if it was this? Maybe we should add that on there. What if it was this?
Can't do that.
You can.
You can.
Square it first.
But would it be
It's not imaginary.
Right? What's the cubic root of negative 64?
it's
Negative
it's
16.
Negative 4. Nope. What's the cubic root can be negative, right?
4 squared is
And what's negative 4 squared?
Oh.
This would be positive 16 because you will end up eventually squaring that negative because the negative's inside parentheses. And so that will be positive 16. So this guy versus this guy, the negative stays. This guy, you're going to square the negative so it'll become positive. Yeah? So maybe add him onto the side over there because that's a good one. That's another good example. Okay?
Wait, can you go back to E? Wasn't E 16? Yeah.
Yeah.
You forgot the one.
Okay?
Missed it.
Good? All right, what do we do on A, on 9?
Distribute the negative first.
Distribute the negative through the back, right? So this is negative 2p to the 7th, negative 64p4, negative p squared. All this other stuff in the front here, you can rewrite him if you want to, but we're just combining like terms, right? P7s, how many?
10.
Negative 10, P7, right? Okay. The next one is P4, negative 4 and negative 6, so negative 10 of those, right?
Negative.
Okay, then negative p squared. Then 2p plus 2p minus 5, yeah? Is that all of them? Perfect, looks good. Okay. All right, what does it mean to square something? Not do this. Why can't we do that?
Because you don't have the middle pieces.
Yep, because there's a plus sign, right? Yeah? I can do that if this was 4t squared p cubed. I could do that, right? Do you understand the difference? If it said this and there was no plus sign, I could just distribute that 2 through. But the fact that there's a plus sign means he's like trapped and we have to multiply him by himself, right? Okay, so 4t squared plus 3p cubed times 4t squared plus 3p cubed. Okay. F. 16t to the fourth. O.
12t squared p cubed.
Yep.
But then you need another one.
Okay.
12t squared p cubed.
Yep. Plus another one. Another 12t squared p cubed, right? And then plus 9p.
To the 9.
6.
Aren't they multiplying?
6 or 9? Which one is which?
Right?
6.
There's that one versus this one. Which one's 6 and which one's 9?
Top one's 6, the bottom one 9.
Top is 6, the bottom's 9. So which one do we have?
6.
We have 2 p's right here. So it's 6. You're adding. That's like this right here, right? So it's 6. Yeah. Okay? All right, so if we combine the middle terms, 16t4 plus 24t squared p cubed plus 9p6. That's confusing when there's t's and pluses and all the things.
Yeah.
Ugh. Who is it that told me, can you not do that variable? I think it was like Cole Malati or something. Can you not do t's? Yeah.
It was O.
That's how I feel about Z's too, because I feel like my Z's look.
Like 2's.
No, I like Z's because you just put the line.
I just
through
put the
it
line
and
through
it's
it,
a Z,
yeah.
right?
Okay, happy with that one?
You made me see it.
Okay, C. What are we doing on C?
You have to multiply.
Foiling. Okay, what's the F part? 5 times 2 is 10. What's the square root of x times the square root of x?
Square root of X.
The square root of x squared, which is just x, right? It like pops out. Okay, that's the O. That's the F, right? 5 square roots of x times 4.
20.
20 square roots of x. Okay.
I should be listening.
I.
Negative 6.
Negative 6 square roots of x. And negative 3 times positive 4. Negative 12. Okay, like terms? Middle 2, right? 10x plus 14 square roots of x minus 12. You got it. What? What are we doing?
You just pull something out.
Oh, I tell you what to do. Look at that.
You just pull out a 5.
Greatest common factor.
5c to the
Greatest common factor. Okay.
This is like 6th grade.
5 is c cubed, because if we take the smallest one out, right? Left over is 3c squared minus c plus 1. Can we break this guy down further?
Yes. I'm kidding. No, you can't.
If he's a complex trinomial, what's 3 times 1? 3. Can you multiply to get 3 when add them give you 6? No, you can't. So we're done.
Yay.
Okay. That was A. Okay, you do B, and I'll do B quietly. And then you check your answer.
You pull an 8 out of 60. That's not a thing, right?
No. Ooh, think big. Yep. You stop.
Brady said it. I just repeated it.
Don't repeat that. That's dumb.
It was funny. You laughed inside.
No, I did not. That's
Yes, you did.
you guys are such children.
Why are you smirking?
No.
I
Well, that means
think
I
I'm
was
right.
taxes for a while.
Oh my god. Why did I put 8?
You thought it was my
They added 1 instead of subtracting 1.
Don't lie.
You can if you want, but you don't have to. I just left them.
Vacator of identity.
I like the grouping. The
Is that all we
grouping
have to do?
That's all we have to do.
grouping is key.
On the next one, I got a
Do I have Tylenol? No.
I got some black for you.
What's the matter with you? Are you concussed? You didn't play?
Yeah, you did. You had the big run.
Okay. All right. Did we get through B? Is that what you got? Did you check yours with mine?
Mason, did you really just ask if we're gonna go to a college fair? Heck no.
I think it's
I think it's during school kind of.
Oh yes, 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 yes.
I mean, I don't really know where it will either be 9 to 10 or 10 to 11.
I really don't want to go.
9 to
I think it's
Call
10 to
it that.
11 and then we go get.
Go get lunch afterwards. An Amish route.
Second.
I'm down to 11.
Okay.
Four strong carriages.
All right. Factor by grouping.
We can learn Mason's culture.
Group the first 2. Group the second 2. What are you gonna pull out?
5x squared.
5x squared. Got it. Left over? 4x plus
You're not
3.
fooling anyone.
What are you gonna pull
-2.
up? -2. Left over? I hope. 4x plus 3. My two groups are
5x squared minus 2.
5x squared minus 2 and
4x.
it doesn't matter which one goes first, and that's your answer. Factor
There should be a
by
shortcut on that one.
grouping. What?
There should be a short.
Maybe.
Yeah, it's really not done. I'm what?
What if they don't match up?
Oh.
If
You
your
can do it
bubbles don't match
multiple
up, then
ways.
you're wrong.
You can do it
Oh,
different
great.
ways.
Correct. If you move the middle groups around, you would end up pulling out different stuff, yeah.
I did the 20x squared and or 20x cubed and then 8x.
Yeah, that's fine. Your middle pieces will look different, but your ending result will be the same. Okay, trinomials. All right, bond number. Wait a second. I don't give you a complex one. What the heck? All right. A is a what? Simple trinomial. Okay, so all I look for is multiply to get 48 and add to get 2.
8 and -6.
Negative 48 is 1 and 48, 2 and 24, 3 and whatever, 16, 4 and 12, 6 and 8.
Yeah. Hey.
Okay, there you go. If you need that. All right. What? What? I've never heard that before.
You've never heard that?
Positive 8 minus 6. What is it?
6 and 8 went on the day when they come out. It was 48.
Oh no.
I've never heard that before. I've never heard that.
That's great.
Homie, or I mean not. Trinomial.
No, Pipesmeyer did.
Yeah.
No.
Pipesmeyer.
I think it was
It was Pipesmeyer.
Do you got any others? Got any other weird ones?
Myers like Wednesday.
Anyways.
You remember that?
Pipesmeyer was
Oh,
kind
yeah.
of. She was kind of.
I just remember Mr. Lelusky taught me
Yeah,
6
because
times
you
6
got away
was
with cheating on the
36.
spelling bee.
I know like 8 times 8 fell on the floor, picked it up, and it was 64. Have you heard that one?
No.
Nope.
Dude, 8 times 8 is just 8. Or
64.
I don't know what to
All I
say.
got is 6 times
Okay.
6 was 36, and
Okay,
6 and 8 went on.
This is
Still,
I know
it's
engraved
like
and
basic
into us
property.
enough that we don't need to.
Yeah.
correct, right.
We did it in flashcard count.
Negative.
-9.
Okay, multiply and add negative
Don't ever
9s.
say X
T plus T minus 9.
Minus.
Minus, right? Not minus plus. Minus.
9 squared.
So you can write it as T minus 9 squared. Okay, he is not a difference of squares, so he's not 1 plus 1 minus, right? Because he has a middle term. Yeah?
Shooter, please.
Okay, that's another simple trinomial. I didn't give you a complex one. I don't know why.
Oh, well, that's
Darn it.
Well, that's darn it. Darn it. Okay, factoring binomials. What is this guy?
A difference of squares.
He has a difference of squares.
That's
Okay.
actually quite hurtful.
Difference of squares.
If I die, if you die.
Take a square root. Take a square root. What's the square root of the first part? 5W and 5W. And square of the second part is?
plus 9 minus.
So 7 and 7 plus a minus. Boop. There's my difference of squares.
That was not funny.
Why?
Okay.
Oh,
B is a what?
stupid.
Stupid.
Sum of cubes. Here's the rule for sum of cubes. I'm going to write it down. A plus B.
Oh
Yeah.
no.
Then what? A squared
Minus.
minus AB plus
Oh,
Plus
B squared.
B squared.
stupid head.
Okay. All right. If I take the cubic root, what's A?
Y.
A is Y, right? If I take the cubic root, what's B? 5. So I've got Y plus
5.
5, yeah?
Y squared.
A squared is Y squared minus 5Y plus
25.
25. There you go. That is all. Boop. Easy. Easy peasy. Okay.
That one ain't nothing.
Okay. What is that one?
Can we take a C out right away?
He's
Ah,
different-
he is a GCF first, right?
He's difference of cubes.
Take a C out. Then he's a difference of cubes, right?
No, he's difference of cubes.
This guy's a DOC.
Doc.
Doc. Okay, Doc is
A
A minus B. Then what? A squared
plus
plus AB
Yeah, I thought so.
plus B squared.
Oh, yeah.
Okay?
C squared.
Okay. So the cubic root of C squared is C, that's A. The cubic root of 8 is 2. And you just use the same signage as what the formula says. So this will be C minus 2.
Yeah.
A squared is C squared plus 2C plus 4.
Put your C out.
And then don't forget your C out front that we pulled out.
We did it. Okay, we're
Look at that. That was too fast.
Sleepy time.
You guys are going to
No,
be
leave it
easy
there.
peasy. I feel like we should put a complex trinomial on this though, just in case. What if you get one on the quiz?
Take it off the quiz.
Just write it down. I'll do it fast anyway.
Yeah, we know.
Just write it down. We'll do it fast. Complex trinomial. Did I sound exactly like Brady? Just write it down. We'll do it fast.
I'm not insecure.
What?
I mean, neither.
Dylan is confident in his skin.
He's good.
What did you just
What's wrong
say?
with your skin?
You're overconfident about your skin.
He's saying you're ugly. No, he's saying you're ugly. Yes.
We all know you know what skin. Overconfident in my skin.
About your skin.
What is saying you're overconfident? He's just saying you're.
I don't. What are you trying to do?
You're too confident. No, he said you're.
We're eating then.
How much are you about done?
You be quiet.
You be quiet.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, here you go. Ready?
You
Go fast.
I thought it was supposed to be a secret. What? Who you have? Oh no. You're big.
No.
Okay.
No.
There you go. There he is. Complex trinomial.
I'm done.
Can we take a GCF out?
No.
No. What do we do now?
2x.
2 times negative 15 is
Negative 30.
negative 30. Multiply to get negative 30, but when you add them, give you?
No. Positive.
5 and 6.
Positive 6.
2 times negative 15 is positive.
No.
Five
2
and
times
six.
negative 15 is negative 30. That's squared, darling.
Yeah, because it's
You're short circuiting over here.
Makes it a negative.
I'm out of
Okay? We got a 5 and a 6, and which one's positive?
No.
6 and the 5 is negative. Which one goes first?
2.
2x squared minus 15. The x splits in 2. What order do you want to go in?
Minus 5x.
I don't want to do that.
Plus.
I want to go plus 6x minus 5x here.
I am short.
It doesn't matter. You can put those in a different order. Doesn't matter.
Why don't you just do it in your head?
Because I don't want to do that.
I
way.
am short.
So that's all we gotta do?
I
Then you
love
Okay.
factor by grouping.
Factor by grouping. Boop, boop. Pull out a 2x. Left is
X.
x plus 3. Pull out a negative 5. Left is, I hope, x plus 3. My two groups.
I would not have known this. 2x minus
Yeah.
And
That's why I had.
3 was you.
boom.
Yeah.
There we go. I just made this up, by the way, if you're wondering where this came from on the
Why
video.
not do in head?
I just made that up.
Number C on 13.
How mature?
What?
Why not just think you got to do the 2
Kid, because
Brady, shut up.
we just don't want to. It's like Monday, right? We don't want to do that today. What did you need,
Thinking.
Dilly?
13C. Go down, 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 down.
13C?
You watched the short.
He was yapping about Ella being ugly.
I just your one eye was like, funny.
He's lying.
Okay. All right. We're doing good. What?
We're done.
All right.
Yes.
No more, man.
Let's know.
Okay, quiz tomorrow. You're gonna do fine.
I'm gonna
Easy peasy.
Hey, you should help.
Easy peasy. All right. Goodbye. Addison and Owen, right? Addison and Owen. Okay.
Yeah, these